Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. How to effortlessly replace your clutch switch. The clutch switch in a vehicle plays a crucial role in the smooth operation of the clutch system. When the clutch switch malfunctions, it can lead to various issues that affect the drivability of the vehicle. Symptoms such as difficulty shifting gears or the engine starting without engaging the clutch can indicate a failing clutch switch. Timely replacement of the clutch switch is essential to ensure the proper functioning of the clutch system and overall vehicle performance. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more severe problems down the road, impacting the vehicle's drivability and safety. Stay tuned to learn more about the importance of clutch switch replacement and how to address common issues effectively. Signs of a failing clutch switch. When your vehicle's clutch switch starts to fail, several signs may manifest, indicating that it's time to address the issue promptly. Recognizing these symptoms can help you avoid potential breakdowns and costly repairs down the road. Difficulty starting the vehicle. Experiencing difficulty starting your vehicle, particularly when the clutch pedal is engaged, could be a telltale sign of a failing clutch switch. The clutch switch is designed to prevent the engine from starting unless the pedal is fully pressed down. When the switch malfunctions, it may fail to recognize that the pedal is engaged, leading to starting issues. Shifting gears problems. Another common indication of a failing clutch switch is experiencing challenges when shifting gears smoothly. A faulty clutch switch can disrupt the signal that communicates the disengagement of the clutch while shifting gears. This interference can result in rough gear shifts, grinding noises, or even the inability to shift gears altogether. Impact on vehicle starting. The clutch switch plays a crucial role in signaling the starter motor to engage when starting the vehicle. A malfunctioning clutch switch can hinder this communication, affecting the vehicle's ability to start smoothly. If you notice that your vehicle struggles to start or requires repeated attempts before the engine cranks, the clutch switch could be a contributing factor. By identifying these symptoms early on and addressing them promptly, you can prevent further damage to your vehicle's systems and ensure a safer and more reliable driving experience. Diagnosing a faulty clutch switch. Diagnosing a faulty clutch switch is crucial in ensuring the smooth operation of your vehicle. Understanding the signs and symptoms of a malfunctioning clutch switch can save you time and money in the long run. Let's dive into how you can effectively diagnose issues with your clutch switch. Signs of a faulty clutch switch. When your clutch switch starts to fail, it often displays noticeable symptoms. These signs include difficulties starting your vehicle, the engine not turning over, or the inability to shift gears smoothly. If you experience any of these issues, it might be time to inspect your clutch switch. Testing continuity. One way to diagnose a malfunctioning clutch switch is by testing its continuity. This involves checking if an electric current can pass through the switch when engaged. To do this, you can use a multimeter to measure the resistance and continuity of the switch. If there is no continuity when the clutch is engaged, it indicates a faulty clutch switch that needs replacing. Checking functionality. Another method to diagnose a faulty clutch switch is by checking its functionality. This involves observing the behavior of the switch when the clutch pedal is depressed. You can visually inspect the clutch switch for any physical damage or signs of wear. Additionally, you can listen for any clicking sounds when the switch is engaged, as a lack of sound may indicate a malfunction. Steps to diagnose. 1. Start by locating the clutch switch in your vehicle, usually found near the clutch pedal. 2. Inspect the switch for any visible damage, such as corrosion or loose connections. 3. Test the continuity of the switch using a multimeter to determine if an electrical signal can pass through. 4. Check the functionality of the switch by engaging and disengaging the clutch pedal while observing any changes in behavior. 5. If the switch shows signs of malfunction, it might be time to consider a clutch switch replacement to ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle. By understanding how to diagnose a faulty clutch switch and taking proactive steps to address any issues, you can maintain the performance and reliability of your vehicle for years to come. Replacing the clutch switch. Locating the clutch switch. When it comes to replacing the clutch switch in your vehicle, the first step is locating its position. The clutch switch is typically found underneath the dashboard, near the clutch pedal. To access it, you may need to remove the lower dashboard panel or trim. It's essential to consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions on locating the clutch switch in your car model. Safety precautions. Before initiating the clutch switch replacement process, safety measures must be prioritized. Begin by disconnecting the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the replacement. Remember to wear protective gear such as gloves and goggles to shield yourself from any potential hazards. Taking these precautions ensures a safe environment for executing the replacement procedure. Step-by-step replacement process. 1. Disconnect the negative battery cable. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical accidents while working on the clutch switch. 2. Locate the clutch switch. Identify the clutch switch under the dashboard near the clutch pedal. 3. Remove wiring connections. Carefully detach the electrical wiring connected to the old clutch switch. 4. Uninstall the old clutch switch. Unscrew or unclip the old clutch switch from its position. 5. Install the new clutch switch. Secure the new clutch switch in place and reattach the wiring connections. 6. Test the clutch switch. After installation, test the functionality of the new clutch switch by pressing the clutch pedal to ensure proper engagement. 7. Reconnect the battery. Once the replacement is complete and tested, reconnect the negative battery cable to restore power. By following these step-by-step guidelines and safety precautions, you can successfully replace the clutch switch in your vehicle, ensuring optimal performance and safety on the road. Testing the new clutch switch. After installing a new clutch switch, it's crucial to test its functionality to ensure everything is working correctly. Below are steps to guide you through testing the newly installed clutch switch. Step 1. Understanding the clutch switch. Before testing the clutch switch, it's essential to understand its purpose. The clutch switch is a safety device that prevents the engine from starting unless the clutch pedal is fully pressed. This safety feature ensures that the vehicle can only start when the clutch is engaged, reducing the risk of accidents. Step 2. Initial inspection. Check the clutch switch for any visible damage or loose connections. Ensure that the switch is securely installed and properly aligned. Any issues with the installation can lead to malfunctions during testing. Step 3. Testing with ignition on. Turn the vehicle's ignition on without starting the engine. Depress the clutch pedal and listen for a click sound from the clutch switch. This click indicates that the switch is engaging correctly when the pedal is pressed. Step 4. Testing engine start. With the ignition still on and the clutch pedal depressed, attempt to start the engine. The engine should start without any issues, confirming that the clutch switch is functioning correctly. If the engine does not start, there may be a problem with the clutch switch installation or connection. Step 5. Testing disengagement. Release the clutch pedal after starting the engine. The engine should continue to run smoothly. If the engine stalls or shows any signs of irregular behavior when the pedal is released, it could indicate a malfunction in the clutch switch. Step 6. Final checks. After testing the clutch switch, perform a final inspection to ensure everything is in order. Check for any error codes on the dashboard and test the clutch switch a few more times to confirm consistent functionality. By following these steps, you can effectively test the new clutch switch and address any issues that may arise during testing. Remember, proper testing is essential to ensure the safety and performance of your vehicle. After understanding the importance of a properly functioning clutch switch and the significance of timely replacement, it becomes clear that diagnosing and replacing a faulty clutch switch is essential for maintaining the smooth operation of your vehicle. By being proactive in identifying issues with the clutch switch and promptly addressing them, you can prevent more significant problems down the road. Remember, the clutch switch plays a crucial role in the performance of your vehicle, so ensuring it is in good working condition is paramount. By following the key steps outlined in this article, you can tackle clutch switch replacement with confidence and keep your vehicle running smoothly for miles to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.